tapping on the floor, whiskers twitching, asking for some more. Furry friends, they make me laugh so loud. Adorable mischief, wow, what a crowd. Curious eyes in the morning sunlight, chasing shadows, never out of sight. Climbing high and tumbling down below, never still, always on the go. Meow, meow, in my ears, what a tune. Silly games from morning until noon. Curls of fur and purrs that never end. With these cuties, every day's a blend. Paws in paint, creating messy art. Bouncing balls, quick and sudden dart. Napping tightly in the sunbeams glow. Peaceful dreams where the wild things go. Every whisker tells a tale or two. With these kittens, life is always new. Little leaps across a moonlit floor. In their world, there's always more to explore. Meow, meow, in my ears, what a tune. Silly games from morning until noon. Curls of fur and purrs that never end. With these cuties, every day's a blend. Meow, meow, in my ears, what a tune. Silly games from morning until noon. Curls of fur and purrs that never end. With these cuties, every day's a blend. Tapping on the floor, whiskers twitching, asking for some more. Furry friends, they make me laugh so loud. Adorable mischief, wow, what a crowd. Curious eyes in the morning sunlight, chasing shadows, never out of sight. Climbing high and tumbling down below, never still, always on the go. Meow, meow, in my ears, what a tune. Silly games from morning until noon. Curls of fur and purrs that never end. These cuties, every day's a blend. Paws in paint, creating messy art. Bouncing balls, quick and sudden dart. Napping tightly in the sunbeams glow. Peaceful dreams where the wild things go. Every whisker tells a tale or two. With these kittens, life is always new. Little leaps across a moonlit floor. In their world, there's always more to explore. Meow, meow, in my ears, what a tune. Silly games from morning